Anthony's won big, $2 million on the Powerball. He's been living in Lafayette with his son and daughter-in-law, sleeping on their couch. But now it's time for him to set up on his own and get his own thing. That's what money does for you. I'm excited to see what Anthony wants for his dream home. Should be a very exciting adventure. Hello, hello.
Hi, David.
Oh my gosh, look how cute everyone
Welcome
is.
to Louisiana.
Good, thank you so much.
Welcome
Good
to
be here.
Lafayette.
Thank you. Let's go inside. Let's talk about all the money you won. All right. This is exciting.
It is
This
exciting.
is my first time to Louisiana as far as Lafayette.
Yes.
It's like, it's great to be here. So, who are all of you?
I am his daughter,
Daughter, what's your name?
Shamika.
Shamika. Oh, I like that.
Thank you.
And you?
I'm Angie, his daughter-in-law.
Oh, so you're living with her.
Right.
Are you ready for him to get out?
No,
You can be honest with
not
me.
really.
Not really?
No.
He's a joy to have around?
Yes.
So tell me about where you want to live now.
I wanted to find somewhere else with acreage, peaceful.
How much are you spending on this place?
150, 175.
All right, so we're looking for a nice small house, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms,
Right.
nothing extravagant, at least an acre, right?
At least an acre.
The first home we're seeing is Riverbank Retreat. I found waterfront property under his budget. Who knew?
Hello.
How you guys doing?
Great, great.
Fabulous, fabulous. What do you think of this property?
I like it so far.
Good. It sits on a half an acre, and you're right on the river. Waterfront property, I found you.
I love the river in the back.
The river in the back is
Yeah.
an extra added bonus.
It is.
Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about Riverbank Retreat. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's got 1,522 square feet, and the price is really great at $138,500.
Great price.
You guys want to check it out?
Yes.
Here we go. Come on in.
Oh, this is nice.
I
love
like this.
The color.
This is nice. Yes.
Very
it's nicely
nice.
renovated.
Nice.
It looks really good in here.
Now, the kitchen is on a little on the small side. I would take all of this out,
Right.
and I would extend the kitchen, do cabinets, more counter space there. Huge island over here.
Yeah.
And you have yourself a really, really great heart of the home. All right, I'm gonna show you the bedrooms before I take you into the living area. But first, we have a full-size bathroom right here.
This is
a
nice.
nice size bathroom.
It could use a little update.
Yes.
Yes.
Here is the first of our guest bedrooms.
I like the floor.
Nice
in
size.
This is a nice
Cozy.
size.
You could easily fit a queen-size bed in here. You don't want to make them too comfortable, right?
there. No,
Yes.
no.
Right. Come on into the master bedroom.
Very nice. It's larger than the rest.
It's on a corner, which has great windows, which means lots of natural light, and the river was right over there.
A lot of privacy in this room also.
Bathroom attached. Why don't you take it out and see what you think?
Cool. But the only concern I have if a flood comes,
Right.
I think I would be in trouble.
Flood insurance has to be added into it and all that. Those are things that have to be factored into your
Right.
decision 100%.
Right.
But you like the house overall?
Overall, the house
Yes.
is very nice.
All right, so the house I'm going to show you tomorrow, what can I do for you?
A little more acreage
Okay.
to it. Maybe in the house I don't have to do any projects, no remodeling.
Okay.
Just move in and
Move
turn
and ready.
Yeah.
All right, I'll flip through my ideas and pick out a really great house that's brand new,
Okay.
so
Great.
brand new that no one else has lived there. Sound good?
That'll work too, but I love the river.
Today, I'm showing him Cajun Cottage. It's brand spanking new and with the elbow room he's looking for. How you guys doing?
Great, how are you?
You guys are looking adorable and cute.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you,
are
thank
you?
you.
Oh my gosh, thank you very much. What do you guys think of the neighborhood?
I love the neighborhood.
Nice and
Good.
quiet.
Good.
Quiet.
We're only about 10 minutes away from the city, and then highway's just right up the road, so you can disappear really quick and
Really
fast.
quick, yes.
What do you think of this cute little gem bag?
I
behind us?
love this little home. It is
That's
so
cute.
pretty. I love the curb appeal.
Yeah. Brand spanking new.
Turnkey.
Turnkey. Want to hear a
Yes.
little bit about Cajun Cottage?
I do.
Fantastic. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,550 square feet. Sits on a third of an acre. You want to know the price? $144,900. Come on in, guys.
I like this.
Nice.
This is
Nice.
really
Open
nice.
space.
It's so open.
Very open.
Very
so
open.
open.
Grays are nice.
Especially
Nice.
compared to yesterday where
What is?
it had the corner thing. This is way
Very
more
open.
open.
Yeah, that corner kitchen thing was unique,
It was
but it was an
unique.
opportunity to improve.
Yes.
Yes.
Here, and why I love showing new properties is that there's nothing to do. There's no walls to knock out. It's open, just like I know that you guys love. That's your
Yes.
desired floor plan. And no one's lived in the house, so there's no weird energies in here. You can bring all that in yourself. Let's go into the kitchen.
Okay.
Wonderful island.
Yes.
Beautiful
I
island.
love this
Spacious,
island.
very spacious.
Yes. And then you could
There's a
put
lot
like,
to-
you know, some bar stools right
You
here.
got it.
This is a
Oh, it's
master.
huge.
Very large.
Yes, it is
Very
very
huge.
huge.
Isn't this nice?
A lot of room
Very
in here. Yes.
Easily fit a king-size bed in here, and the bathroom does not disappoint. Have a look.
Wow. This is a master. Now this is a master
Yeah,
bath.
plenty of room.
Yes.
Nice tub.
Very
Yes.
nice tub.
Yes.
I like this.
Right here. I like the way this is
I love
designed.
those cabinets.
Oh, yes. Double vanities.
Yes.
This property is so new, they haven't laid down any grass in the yard. But that's an easy fix and can be done before Anthony moves in. So, do you want me to show you a property that has a little more land tomorrow?
Yes.
Can I have a
like
little
that.
more money? Like 20 more grand, you're getting 3 to 5 acres. What do you think?
Well, see what you can come up with.
All right, all right.
You're gonna make me pull a Houdini act. You keep asking for more money.
Now we're heading over to Carencro Nook, just 20 minutes outside of Lafayette. I really wanted to show Anthony this property because it's a lot of space. It sits on 3 acres, and here he has the choice of 2 homes. Let's see what he thinks. Hello, hello.
Good morning.
morning,
How are you,
David.
You guys are all looking cute
Well,
and
thank you.
adorable.
Thank you. So are you?
Thank you very much. Thank you. This property is unique. I asked you for a little bit more cash. You gave it to me not so willingly.
But you got it.
I got it nonetheless. All right, so Carencro Nook has 2 structures. The main house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,423 square feet, and the mother-in-law suite has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Sits on 3 acres, and the price is really wonderful at $186,000.
Man, I'm proud of you.
Let's go look. All right, guys, come on in.
Nice.
Very open.
Open area. I love
The
it.
colors.
Isn't this great?
More roomy than the house we looked at yesterday.
Feels more roomy because we have this great vaulted
see.
ceilings with this
Yes.
great detail on it. Let's go check out the kitchen. Nice space for a little dining table here.
Yes.
And a really nice open
Oh, I
kitchen.
like
Yes.
this.
I love the island
this.
here.
I love the
Yeah,
island
it's,
here.
Yeah, it's a nice, unique shaped island,
It
which
does.
really optimizes. You could put 2 people, 3 people, 5 people probably there.
Yes.
Now, we have a whole other house in the back, but I'm not skimping on space in the main house. There are 2 guest bedrooms and a good-sized guest bathroom. Come on into the master.
Ooh, large bedroom.
This is
right?
a nice
Yes,
master.
yes.
Nice
Large.
master.
This might be too much room for me.
Oh my gosh. Go check out the bathroom.
Nice.
Well, this is
Huge
a
in
nice.
here.
This is a really huge.
It does need a little work.
Yes.
And the bathtub could be upgraded to something a little bit more special. And with a shower as well, maybe some
Yes.
tile put in. I
Yeah.
have $14,000 saved for you to update some things.
There you
Do
go.
a lot of things with that. Yeah.
All right, so that's one of 2 houses. Let's go check out the backyard and make our way to the next one.
Sure.
All right. Come on in.
This is nice.
I wasn't expecting all of
Was
this
not
in here.
expecting it from you.
Yeah, no, it's very deceiving. So we have 2 huge bedrooms, massive, even bigger than the ones that we saw in the other structure, and a great bathroom here, double sinks, everything's being redone. It's really nice.
Wow.
This is the perfect place to have Anthony's family stay over when they come to visit. It's a hard decision.
Yes.
What decision's being made? Because I have no clue.
Well, since Angie wanted me out so quick, she decided to pick.
Oh, so you get to pick. Ready for it?
Yes.
Tell me what you're gonna do.
I'm going to choose the Carencro Nook.
Really?
Yes. Lots of space for entertaining, and those 2 homes are immaculate.
They were really fun.
Yes.
It's a great piece of property. I
It is
know
a
you guys are
great-
gonna have a blast out there. It is set up for entertaining, so it's gonna be
Perfect.
party central.
Yes.
Yes.
David, I appreciate your time. Looking forward to the dream home and can't thank you enough.
Pleasure.
You did a great job.
I'm gonna put an offer on the house. We're gonna get it for you. Very exciting. Let's go get some crawfish, and I will only eat it with you guys.
Great.
Great. You
Sounds
will love
great.
it. You will.
All right, I'm here to try everything twice.
There we go. David showed me Carencro Nook, and I fell in love with it. The property, it's a perfect acreage for me. My son and Angie has been so great to me. When I saw the 2 homes, I'm like, hey, perfect idea to let them raise their family now. I thought y'all would have just like get a house here and put me on the other side of town, but I appreciate y'all letting me live next to y'all.
Pop, I just want to take the time, to just thank you on behalf of the family, giving us this home. We really appreciate it. It's a humbling experience.
And at the end of the day, family is more important to me than anything in the world.
But I just want to let you know I appreciate you and we love you, man, and we love y'all too.
Thank you.
Thank you.